All right, pretty straightforward. I have Grok Heavy subscription. I haven't been always with Cursor. It's been frustrating, but there's a way to do it now, which is pretty cool. Not intuitive. There's something out there called Grok Bot. So you go out there, you're going to download Grok Bot and install it. All right. Now, when you install it, it's going to authenticate. All right. But what? Right. So you go ahead, we install it. Now it's going to authenticate. But I want you to notice where it authenticates to. You expect it to be XAI, of course, right? But it actually authenticates to Cursor, right? And so when you do this, you're going to see it's going to log in, you're going to authenticate. Notice here it's saying, hey, at the bottom, right, cursor.com. That's where this is authenticating to, all right? And so you go ahead, you continue, of course, blah, blah, blah. All right, then it's going to go ahead, it's going to work well. And then you're like, okay, great, I sign in. Notice again here, open Grok Bot, it's cursor.com. Now when you open it, you're like, yay, I opened it, right? But now go into Cursor. We go into Cursor, in that bottom left-hand corner, it now says Ultra Plan. So congratulations, you won the prize. You now have that Ultra Plan that is using with Cursor.